First thing we do when we come to your project is we bring in the Terminator, which is our demolition machine. It's a ride-on machine that we bring into your building. It fits through normal 3-foot doors. It has various blades depending on the material we're removing. We have ceramic blades, we have vinyl blades, we have carpet blades. There isn't anything that we can't remove with this machine. The operator drives the machine around and we have laborers that will come behind him and pick up the trash. It's a very neat process. Depending on the size of the building, it can save a contractor anywhere from 25 to 75% of the time that it would take the old methods of removing it. When we remove the floor, it gets it down to as close to the original slab as possible. Then we have to decide the next step. If there's moisture mitigation, we have the shot blast to open up the pores of the concrete so that the mitigation product will adhere to the concrete. Or if we're just putting down a new floor, they could start right from scratch. Step 2 is to shot blast the existing slab. Shot blaster can get within 3 inches of the wall. In order to get full adherence, we have to hand grind all the edges of the slab. Shot blasting will get it as clean as it possibly can be. And it actually pulverizes the floor with little steel beads. It takes the top layer of the concrete slab off and opens it up so there's a texture. You need to open up the pores of the concrete to get the mitigation system to adhere properly into the slab. It cannot just be topical, it has to become part of the slab. The next step after the shot blasting is complete, we will mix a 2-part epoxy resin spread evenly across the floor. That product will bleed into the concrete slab and create a moisture barrier. Moisture mitigation is a definite insurance policy. After the mitigation system is dried for 24 hours, the next step is to apply a self-leveling compound. The first step in that process is a latex-based primer. Once the self-leveling compound has been mixed, we will dump that onto the floor. The product is moved around with rakes. The installer will break the surface tension with a skimmer, which will allow the self-leveler to seek its final level. The self-leveler, when we're done, is better than 1/8 of an inch in 10 feet. When it comes to your project, there's no floor that we can't remove, there's no issue that we can't resolve, and there is no new flooring product that we cannot install.